Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to customize Control Center on your iPhones or iOS in general. It's actually pretty easy to do, and there's a lot of customizations that you can make. So just to show you guys what it looks like, I'm just going to drag down on my iPhone 10 here, and you guys see my Control Center right now. It does look pretty plain. I only have a couple things on here, but there's plenty more that you guys can add on here, depending on what you have available in your house and setup. So if you just go over to your settings application right here, and then you scroll down and just hit on Control Center, and then customize controls, you'll see you have lots of options right here that you can add. I only have a little bit, like I said, the ones that I use on a daily basis. But if you go down here, you'll notice that there is tons of different options you can use. There's calculator, there's hearing modes, notes, stopwatches, text sizes, timers, voice memos, tons and tons of different options that you can use to customize. All you have to do to add it to your Control Center, just click on the plus option on the left side. And then once you add the amount that you want to add to your control panel, all you have to do is just click on the right side here where you see the three lines, and then you can just drag things up and down just to move them on the control panel to put them where you would like and where you would use them the most. Anyhow, I hope I was able to help you guys to show you how to customize your Control Center on your iPhones. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.